In this video, I teach you how to get paid $70 per hour by just viewing videos, which is one of the easiest methods to make money online this year. How to do it? We're about to find out. Hey guys, what's up? This is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'm going to teach you how to earn some cash just by watching videos. If you like this video, drop your comments down below, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. The first step is to play the video. Step 2 is to give it at least 10 seconds of your attention. Step 3 is to take your earnings and cash them out. So for the time being, I'd like you to take a look at all of these videos right here. They will assist you in making a substantial amount of money online. Consider this if you're wondering how much money you can make from watching videos. You can easily earn up to $70 by watching for 1 hour. You can earn over $150 if you watch for 2 hours. And you can earn $200 if you watch for 3 hours. See this process as many times as you want. The best part is that it's completely free, so you won't have to pay anything to get started. Yes, it's available all over the world. And to get started, all you need is a smartphone or a computer. You can get started making money right away. So in this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account and which videos will pay you the most. I'll also show you a live demonstration of how to do it in this video so you can see me do it step by step. First and foremost, we will be using swingbucks.com, which is a brand new website. As you can see, on this reliable and long-term website, you can get paid every 15 seconds. You can also make money online by watching a variety of videos in channels, all of which have unlimited earning potential. In a moment, I'll show you how to earn money by watching a very simple video like this one, which will play after this 10-second ad, which is exactly how all of these people make a lot of money on this website every single day. This is also very critical. On this website, there are several ways for you to earn money for free. To begin, you could earn money online by viewing advertisements. You can also get paid by clicking on Clicks Grid. This is a fantastic plan. I'll also show you something as a bonus at the end of this video. Today's focus, however, is solely on video viewing. You can watch YouTube videos and get paid to do so, as you can see here. So right now, all I want to do is remind you to watch the entire video so you can understand everything and start making money right away. So first and foremost, I'll show you how to join swingbucks.com for free. To do so, simply click this register button, which will redirect you to this registration page. You have the option of registering on your phone or your computer. Simply type in your full name, username, password, and email address, then click submit. Simply enter your payment information in the second section, which is your payment account. PayPal, Perfect Money, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Skrill, and AirTM are all options for payment. Then after clicking I am not a robot and agreeing to their terms, click register. Now for the second step. Once you've logged into your account, you'll find a range of commercials and videos to view in order to make money online. As you can see, there are a lot of businesses on this website right now, so you have a lot of choices. As a result, you can find a variety of organizations here and give you with new video adverts to view in order to make money online. However, the most common issue that newcomers have is choosing which brand or video ad to watch and focus on in order to make the most money. So for those of you who are still paying attention, the first extra piece of advice I'll give you is to focus on micro advertising. I advise you to focus on this category since you can earn money online just by watching 10-second video advertisements. As you can see, after 10 seconds, this video ad is skipped and replaced with a regular YouTube video. So all you have to do now is wait for the next video ad to arrive. Then wait another 10 seconds. and you'll be able to win money again and again. So now I'd like to offer you a bonus tip. As you can see, you can truly turn off the video's volume. To silence the video, simply click on this one. And by doing so, you'll be able to leave the video running in the background as you go about your business. You can do the rest of your work in a different browser. As a result, this is a very powerful approach for watching numerous videos at once. You can open multiple browsers on separate devices, whether you have a PC or a phone. And the more videos you watch, the more video ad options you see. You'll earn more money the more video adverts you watch. And as you may have noticed, whenever you view a video, you are assured to see one video ad at the start, which will provide you with a significant amount of guaranteed cash. When the video begins after you have finished watching the complete ad, you may discover 2, 3, or even 4 video adverts from just one film, which will pay you repeatedly. And I'm going to give you one more additional tip now. Every time you click on these small boxes on the clicks grid, you have a chance to win up to $5. Now all you have to do is click on any random box you choose. For instance, this box will take you to a random website. You only need to stay on this page for 10 seconds to avoid having to do anything else. As a result, if you're lucky enough, you could win $5. Swing Grid Clone is actually quite simple to play, as you've just shown. Simply click anywhere on the image to win up to $5, which will be deposited directly into your account balance. Each click will take you to a sponsor's website, where you must spend up to 10 seconds. For example, clicking this box will take you to a random website as seen above. So simply wait 10 seconds and do nothing and you could win $5. The best aspect is that every day the clicks will be reset. As a result, all of these boxes will refresh and you will be able to click on them again. You will then be able to profit from this website so much more. And that is it, you guys. That is how you can earn money simply by watching videos. What do you guys think of this method? Once again, this is Dark Money Secrets, and if you like the video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's it, and see you in the next video.